Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add someone to the friend list on Nintendo Switch. So what you need to do is go to the top left corner and open your profile page. Over here you will find these settings, but we are mostly concerned with the add friend option. Over here we can search for local users. If we enter here, then we can try to find the person by these shapes. We can also go back and choose another option. We can try to find players that we have played with online. Of course, as long as we have played online before. We can also enter the friend code. We can use search with friend code. And then over here we can enter the friend code. And then if you want to make sure that you have sent a friend request, you can use the send friend request option over here. And here you will find everyone that you have sent the friend request. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!